And there are companies transforming agriculture on an even bigger scale. Industry giant Aero is located right across the river from Manhattan.
We're standing here in Newark, New Jersey. This is actually in an old steel factory. We are actually the largest vertical farm in the world. We started Aero Farms inspired by some of the world's challenges in water. 70% of our world's water, fresh water, goes to agriculture. 70% of our water contamination comes from agriculture. So if one wants to solve water, one has to solve agriculture.
Aero is applying cutting-edge technology to the ancient traditions of farming. They use a form of hydroponics they call aeroponics. Through clever engineering, the team has built an indoor farm that uses 95% less water than field farming, 0 pesticides, and they grow 365 days a year.
We grow without sun, without soil. Instead of sun, we use LEDs, light-emitting diodes. Plants don't need sun, they need spectrum. So we study spectrums that optimize photosynthesis, and then building on that, we deliver nutrients, minerals, and elements that are in the soil through a spray.
Every one of the million seeds planted per year provides precise computer-monitored data.
This is a product that's about 3 days old. We actually know, based on all the information, there's sensors, there's monitors, we're collecting millions of data points every single day about what's happening with the crop. We can actually see what's happening on day 2, day 5, and ultimately what's going to be happening on day 12 of harvest. So this really gives us a line of sight in terms of how do we ensure the right quality. So we think of ourselves as plant whisperers, thinking about what are the nutrients, what's the right light, what's the right environment, and creating the perfect environment for the plant. This kind of thing out in the field may take 30 days to grow, and we can grow in 12 to 16 days. That means up to 30 harvests a year. It's 390 times more productive per square foot on an annualized basis.
But data and efficiency will only go so far. Foodies want their veggies nutritious, crunchy, and packed with flavor.
From an organoleptic, from a tasting, from a sensory standpoint, what's exciting is that we're able to accentuate different flavors. It's really kind of like a wine flight, if you will, of flavors. So our baby kale is sweet, our watercress is really zesty, our spicy mix has incredibly bold, peppery flavors. At the end of the day, we're farmers, we're passionate about food, and what's exciting is that we now have ways of using technology to be able to have a better product.